Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds by default. So let's first open the box. So let's check this first box. Here we got some paperwork and the SIM eject tool. So let's check the another one. Okay, that says okay. This is the charger brick box, and also let's check the last one. Oh, so we could see that we got here the just the earbuds, the headphones with the 3.5 millimeters part, so you could use it with your ZTE phone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.